Welcome to B2B Sangam. B2B Sangam is one of the best platform for buyers and sellers who want to buy or sell commodities. www.b2bsangam.com. This is the homepage. Simply register using the register button. Depending on your requirements, choose buyer or seller. If you're looking forward to purchase goods, choose the buyer option. Now fill up the required information for your registration as a buyer. Complete the registration process by getting verified via OTP. As you log in or register as a buyer, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard shows you various information such as total number of RFQs, RFQs in process, RFQs that are closed, number of purchase orders generated. In order to create any new purchase entry or indent, simply click on the Purchase Requisition button and select Purchase Requisition Entry. Fill up your requirements for the order. You can also upload Excel file made according to the template. B2B Sangam is a web-based application which is also integrated with Lighthouse ERP, which means all the purchase requisitions made in the ERP are updated here also. To view all the requisitions, go to the Purchase Requisition dashboard. All the requisitions are listed here. In order to send request for quotation for the listed requisitions, go to the RFQ menu. To create new RFQ, select RFQ entry. You will see the RFQ entry form. You can fill in the details or you can click on the Purchase Requisition button. In the Copy Previous Purchase Requisition window, you can fill up the details or you can see requisitions in the system by clicking Show button. The list of requisitions will be displayed and you can select by checking the boxes and click OK. You can see the requisition details are filled accordingly. Choose the currency. Choose shipping location. Choose the pricing structure. Add the terms and conditions as per your requirements. Simply check A boxes and click OK. The terms and conditions will be added without any hassle. Additional attachments regarding technical or commercial terms can also be attached. After filling all the required details, click on Save and Release. As the RFQ is made, you have select various parameters like published date, last date of quotation submission, validity, etc. By checking the checkbox, you can allow new parties to receive the RFQ. Here the date and time for the reminder message that is received by the suppliers is to be specified. There are certain filters provided for the selection of suppliers. You can choose according to the supplier rating. Selection can be prioritized according to the location of supplier or who is nearby. Filter according to business relation type. Let's prioritize authorized dealer, distributor and service provider. In Sangam Preferred section, you get Sangam approved suppliers who have a record of outstanding performance. In the previous transition section, we can give preference to suppliers who previously have responded the first or supplied first. More suppliers can be added from the database. You can have a PDF sent to those suppliers via email. Select Save and Release button and you will see the preview of the RFQ before releasing. This preview shows the details of the RFQ. By adding email addresses in the CC email, you can notify people in your organization via mail about this RFQ. The Preview Email Template button will preview the email that will be sent. The template can be customized. The Release button saves the RFQ. In the RFQ dashboards, you can find all the RFQs using the filters. Ray RFQ, Pending RFQs, RFQs that are open for quote, RFQ for comparison, executed, and cancelled. By clicking on the mail icon, you can view all the communication done via mail with respect to the particular RFQ. You can view the emails here. Now when the supplier will log into B2B Sangam, the supplier will be able to see the RFQ in the dashboard. The supplier can easily respond to the RFQ with his quotation, like adding billing address, Supplier will also specify the rate and taxes according to which value of quotation will be calculated. Any other charges or discounts applied by the supplier can also be specified here. The supplier can check and notify the terms and conditions specified by the buyer. Terms and conditions of supplier can also be added here. And by clicking the Submit Quotation button, the quotation will be submitted. Similarly, all the vendors who have received the RFQ will submit their quotations. Now,
Thanks for watching.
the buyer can
For
view
any
all the
queries,
quotations
contact
in the
us.
quotation comparison dashboard. He will be able to see how many quotations were sent, how many have not responded, and number of quotations received. The buyer can also enter quotation received from any other source on behalf of the vendor. By clicking on this icon, the buyer can compare all the received quotations. In the quotation comparison, the best deal will be highlighted on top. While the add-on button is selected, we can compare add-ons given by all vendors. Similarly, we can compare terms and conditions and attachments of each quotation. Clicking on the item will show item comparison of all quotations. For example, a particular item has 2 variants and you can order those 2 variants from different vendors. You can also ask the vendors to re-quote by using the re-quote button. Click on the Request for re-quote button, enter your remarks, specify the submission date and click on Send button. The yellow P icon indicates pending re-quotes. After the vendors has replied to the request for re-quote, green icon is displayed in the quotation comparison window. The best deal option will also update according to the new quotes that are received. Along with the new quotes, it will also show the previous quotes for comparison. In order to close the RFQ and generate the purchase order, click on the Execute and RFQ Close button. Select the action. Confirm the execution. The PO has been generated. A document containing details of the generated PO is also created automatically. Buyer can also generate Open RFQ. The Open RFQ is seen by all the vendors. In B2B, Sangam users can organize 2 types of auction: forward auction and reverse auction. Using the forward auction, the user can sell items that were procured in excess. You can set number of bids that can be placed by each bidder. Set the starting bid value, extension time after the bid's end, start and end time of the bidding. You can also keep the bidder's name anonymous until the bidding ends. Minimum bid increment factor can be specified. Chat feature can also be availed during the auction. Date and time for reminders can be set here. Any terms and conditions for the auction can be added here. Similarly, reverse auction can also be organized. There are 4 types of reverse auction: English reverse auction, seal bid auction, pricey auction, ranky auction. Fill out the form with the details of the auction. The items can be grouped using the item lot/item grouping option. Specify the grouped items. Specify the pricing structure. In reverse auction dashboard, all the auctions are listed. The ongoing auction is indicated here. Click on the green icon to view the auction panel. Here all the participants of the auction are listed along with their location and bids. Below, a graph of the progress is also shown. Using the auction configuration button, you can see the details of the auction. The bid extend button can be used to extend the time of auction or number of bids. You can hold the bid using hold this bid button. Using terminate button, the bid can be terminated. Block seller button is also given to block a seller. The product section has various options such as product listing and product listing dashboard. In product listing, user can add product along with its specification and other details. In the business relations section, the user can add the business partners. The user can add the partners who are not in the B2B portal. The details of the business partner are entered on their behalf. In the purchase order section, all the purchase orders are listed. Here all the purchase orders can be viewed. Their PDF files can also be downloaded. The status of the PO can also be seen. Thanks for watching. For any queries, contact us.